So if you don't know, CultureFly does a bunch of like subscription boxes, and they have one called the Nick Box and like a little, I guess a subsidiary version called the Bikini Bottom Box. This is the one for this spring. It's already sold out, but I had to get it because I saw it was themed to Glove World, and you know, big theme park guy, so I had to get this one. I haven't looked inside yet. If you follow them on Instagram, they do little teasers, so I know that there's going to be, well, I know 3 of the things that are being here. I'll tell you what they are when I open it. All right, here we go. Glove World. Oh, cool. It's like Spongebob inside. See a little Glove World pin on. All right, so this is one of the things right off the bat that I knew was going to be in here. It's a Glove World staff jacket. Awesome. Let's make sure they got my size wrong. Oh well. I did order a large. This does look like a small. It did say S on the outside of the box, so we'll get that sorted out later. But it is cute. It's got the little Glove World staff logo on the front, and then on the back, it's got a few of the rides featured in the show. Alright. And then this is one of the other things I knew was in here. It's a Glove World hand puppet of Glovey Glove. I think it's a little bit too small for my hand, but I don't think this one comes in different sizes, so. But it's cute. A little Glovey Glove. All right, and what was the third thing? Is this it? Yeah, here it is. Fiery Fisto Pain souvenir frame. That's one of the other things they teased on their Instagram. That's the roller coaster at the park. All right, let's see what else we got. We got, oh, cute. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna put that on my backpack. It's a little Glove World keychain. Let's see what's on the other side when it spins. Glove World, and oh, and just a glove. And here we got a little vinyl figure of Patrick. And here, you can see it better on the diagram thing. He's got his Glove World shirt, a Glove World hat, and a Glove World balloon. I don't know if this one is exclusive to like this box. I assume it is, because it does say CultureFly on the bottom. That's pretty cool. Alright. Oh, here's like a thing of everything in here. Looks like the only other thing would be a magnet set. Cute little magnets. It's got like a warning sign on it, and them on the coaster, which you can see better right there. And then right here is some Glove World socks. That's cute. Cool. So this box, you can get like different subscriptions. So this was just the spring box, like I said, and it was $40 for just the one box. I don't know what the other prices are for like the subscriptions, but I know you can get like two boxes or 3 boxes, or like the whole year subscription. And then I know they have more than just Nick too. I think they just came out with a Star Wars one. I think their first box was Mandalorian themed. So that's pretty cool as well. Yeah.